everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute rabbit and a cuddly teddy bear step by step. So, let's get started. Add 2 large, oval-shaped ears on top of the head. Make sure they are slightly tilted outward. Then draw an oval shape for the rabbit's head. Below the head, draw a larger oval for the body. Draw the legs by adding 2 elongated ovals at the bottom of the body, with small circles at the end for the feet. Draw a fluffy tail on the side of the body. Start with a large circle for the teddy bear's head. Add 2 small circles on top for the ears. Below the head, draw an oval for the body. Add 2 small, oval-shaped arms on each side of the body, slightly bent. Draw the legs by adding 2 elongated ovals at the bottom of the body, making sure they are slightly apart. Color. Brown color.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Red color.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night.
And that's it. You've just drawn a cute rabbit and a cuddly teddy bear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and had fun drawing. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drawing tutorials.